All right, this is a 2011 MAZAK Quick Turn Nexus 100 Roman numeral 2 MY. It has a Mazatrol Matrix Nexus control. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000. Spindle's extremely quiet, nice and smooth. Connect your C-axis, it's a full C-axis. Hand wheel in both directions. We'll show you your touch setter. All four sides work. Now we can do your parts catcher. Okay, there. Gonna jog the axes around. That's your Z. You have your X. And you also have Y on this one. Send everything home. Index the turret. We'll run your live tooling. That's 1,000 on your live tooling. That's 2,000 on your live tooling. And that's 3,000. You have your tailstock down here.